Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Team Pets Seller. In my last video, I kept some African lovebirds to form in a pair and I got a good one pair from it. They have laid eggs now. If you have not subscribed our channel, please click on subscribe button and the bell icon. Today they have laid the first egg. This is their first clutch. I'm seeing the breeding box after 2 to 3 days and I can find 3 eggs in it. Every alternate day they laid 1 egg. Today we are going to see the 4th egg which they laid. The eggs will hatch in 21 to 24 days. To see the next part of this video, please wait for my next video.